Hi, welcome to TeckwrapCraft channel. I'm Glory and in today's video I'm going to be customizing this makeup bag and tote bag using this metallic chrome heat transfer vinyl. This heat transfer vinyl comes on 14 different shades and today I'm going to be using the chrome dual gold and the chrome silver. This HTV has high shimmer and dazzling look. It's durable material, is thin and flexible, easy to cut and weave, and has a strong adhesion. It's compatible with various fabrics as cotton, polyester, and blends. Ideal for t-shirts, hoodies, bags, hats, soft home decor, fabric accessories, and other items. With anything else to say, let's get started. I'm going to measure my tote bag and my makeup bag. And the design for this one is going to be 6 inches of width, and it can be like 4 inches of height. And for the tote bag, it can be like 10 inches of height and 10 inches of width. I'm here in Silhouette Studio and I have the design that I'm going to use for the tote bag and the design that I'm going to use for the makeup bag. This color over here is going to be the gold one, and the plus marks are going to be on silver. Now I'm going to place the colors on this design too, and then check the size for both of the designs. Now that I have both of my designs ready, I'm going to separate the silver color from the gold color parts. And then I'm going to flip the design horizontally because we're going to cut on HTV. Now let's send to cut. I'm going to cut first the gold one, and I'm going to be using these settings over here. Ignore that it says HTV Puff TeckwrapCraft. I put that name because I was cutting that type of vinyl, but it's the same settings for some vinyls, and this vinyl that I'm using is not the exception. So the settings are force 15, speed 5, and blade depth 3. Now that I have my design ready, I'm going to do the weaving process. Now let's do the washing test. And here's the final result of our tote bag and makeup bag. And look how beautiful! I love the metallic color. And here's the tote bag. If you like today's project, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!